This lesson is about medians of a triangle. Median is that segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So illustrated here are medians from a vertex to the opposite side. And it's a midpoint, so it splits that into two congruent pieces. So we're going to draw a median from vertex S to the opposite side. S to the opposite side. So each of these segments would be 3. So I'll do one more. We're going to draw a median, and it doesn't matter from where you draw it. It's only asking for one. So it goes to vertex, the opposite side, to the midpoint, splits that to two congruent pieces. So you try drawing a median. If you drew yours over to this side, your pieces would be over to here. I'll put it in a different color. It would be 2 and 2, and over here would be 1.5, 1.5. The last one, since they're all the same, you should get 2.5, 2.5, no matter which median you. Okay, so this becomes a challenging point here. If I draw all three medians, they meet at this point in the center called a centroid. We have a relationship that occurs between the segments then. So if I look at median segment CE, okay, that point P splits that segment 1/3, 2/3. So here's the relationship. I'm going to use just the one here. CP is two-thirds the whole length. The short length, PE, is 1/3 the whole length. The whole length equals 3 times the shorter length, or no, let's take that back. We also have the longer of the two lengths, CP, equals 2 times the shorter lengths. And if I add the long length, I get the whole length. Okay, so let's put it into practice. So E is a centroid, DA, the whole length, let's just look at this one, is 27. So since I know DA is the whole length, I can find the shorter length, DE, because 3 times that equals DA. So 3 times DE equals 27 divide by 3. So DE equals 9. I know DE plus EA equals DA. So 9 plus EA equals 27. Subtract 9. So EA equals 18. Okay, I know that's a lot, so let's the next one. I have a centroid. And I'm looking at RP, so the whole, median. The whole median is RT. So RP is the longer length. Two times the shorter length equals the longer length. So 2 times PT equals 10. Divide by 2, PT equals 5. The whole thing, RT, equals the two pieces added together. RP is 10, PT is 5, so RT equals 15. I will continue and I will do each of these because I know to do them on your own is going to be a challenge, and it's always good to have as many examples as possible. So looking at this next one, I'm doing BD. BD is the whole median. So I know if I take the whole median, it is 3 times the short piece of the median. So 24 equals 3 times the short. So 8 is the shorter piece. The longer piece plus the shorter piece equals the whole median. So BE plus 8 equals 24. Subtract 8 and you get 16. Okay, the next one says that JK equals 4, so we're talking about this median right here. JK is the shorter piece, so I know JG, the whole median, equals 3 times that. So JG equals 3 times 4. So JG equals 12. The two pieces added together give you the whole length. So JK plus KG equals 12. JK is 4, KG, so KG equals 8. The last one we're looking at PN, my whole median. And I know QN, that's the longer piece. So the only relationship I have is that the longer piece equals 3 times the shorter piece. So QN, oh, not 3 times, 2 times. I'm sorry. The whole thing is 3 times the shorter piece. So 20 equals 2 times PQ. So 10 equals PQ. I know the 2 added together give me the whole length. QN plus PQ equals PN. I have QN is 20, PQ I just found. So PN equals 30. I suggest as you're doing these problems that you certainly ask for help so that you are doing them correctly. Let's close out this lesson. Remember, the assignment is online. What is the median of a triangle and how does it relate to the centroid? So the median is the segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. How does it relate to the centroid? 3 medians of a triangle, I'm going to abbreviate, intersect at a point called the centroid. And this ends the lesson.